In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and add an animated banner to your Google Sites page. First, select the blank site option to start with a new, empty site. Then, edit your banner. Open New Canva tab. Next, use the search bar to find animation templates. After entering your search, choose an animation video from the results to use for your banner. And then click Customize Template. Once you've selected your animation, open the Share menu and click Download option. Now, download the animation by choosing the GIF format and start the download to save your animated banner locally. Back in your Google site, select the site title and adjust the header type to customize where the animation will appear. Then, open the image and click Upload dropdown and select the animated GIF you downloaded to insert it as your banner. And finally, our animated banner has been uploaded. Pick the header type again if needed to finalize how your animated banner appears on the page. You've successfully added an animated banner to your Google site.